Hello guys, for today's lunch we have sinangag with a twist and inihaw na bangus. So at first, ayan, 2 eggs. Tinimplahan ng salt, tas mix lang para maluto siya. And then, di bawang. Ayan, slight maging brownish lang siya. Then I'll put the pusit, adobong pusit na siya guys, leftover namin last night. And then the alamang. Then put the bahaw. Tirang kanin, kagabi din ihalo lang guys. It's our kind of sinangag. Pinagdagan ko ng corn kasi may corn pa na tira sa ref. This stay for a minutes para mag-combine na yung all ingredients. And then our bangus, paluto na siya. Ayan. Smokeless inihaw in a pan. Ayan guys, happy eating!